In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Start by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now it's time to look for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey, which means that auto rotation is off. But you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same shortcut until it's blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!